When you talk about milk, you want milk. You know, in India, they bring the cow to the door, they squeeze their udders, they produce this wonderful milk, and that's what you use. Proper milk.
UHT milk is my grandma. She likes to drink that milk. It's a depressing milk for me personally.
Skimmed milk. It doesn't add anything, it's just milky coloured water.
These UHT pots, 9 times out of 10 when I'm opening them, they just split. I'm covered in milk. It's all up my face, all over my t-shirt. I think they taste stagnant, in all fairness.
I always use soy milk because I'm vegan, so I don't have any animal stuff at all. I used to hate it. I can't even remember what milk tastes like now, I don't think.
There's no milk lark and no sugar. It just doesn't do it for me. I've been using goat's milk for the last month, I suppose. It don't taste of goat's, no.